how to fix Roblox not launching on Windows. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of Roblox not launching on your PC or laptop. If you're having trouble opening Roblox, just follow these simple steps to get it up and running again. Let's jump right in. Start by restarting your computer. This is the quickest way to close any background processes that might be interfering with Roblox. If restarting doesn't work, open the Start menu, search for Roblox, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. This can help resolve any permission-related problems that may be blocking Roblox from launching. Still not working? Right-click the Start menu again and select Installed Apps or Apps and Features. Use the search bar to find Roblox Player. Click the three dots next to it or click directly on the app if you're using Windows 10. Then select Uninstall and confirm the action. Next, right-click on the Start menu once more and select Run. Type in %, local app data %, and press Enter. This will open your local app data folder. Scroll down and find the Roblox folder, then right-click it and choose Delete. On Windows 11, you can also click the trash icon to remove it. Now, locate your Roblox installer and run it. If you don't have the installer, just go to the Roblox website, log in, and launch any game. This will prompt you to download and reinstall Roblox automatically. And that's it. Roblox should now launch without any problems. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. See you in the next video.